You ready? You want me to hold on to your boat for you?
No.
Here, give it here.
Is this where we're going?
We're gonna go that way, baby.
Okay, we'll get in so I can go over there.
You should be all right, just right there. Give me your leash and I'll hold on to the boat so you can get in.
I got it. I'm a big girl.
Okay. This is gonna be fun.
Real deep right there.
There's a nice deep hole right there. Real deep where?
Right there.
You didn't fish it? Why not? Oh, bullshit. Never can have too much grass. Fish like grass. You'd be surprised how many fish we probably went over sitting underneath this grass. What the hell's going on over there? See that bird playing around in the water over there? Must be taking a bath.
You see that? I thought it was a fish.
Yeah. Can throw at him though. That's the thing. So there's not much work to this, is there? No. Whew, there we go. Hello. It's a pick. You just hang out in there for a minute. Huh? He's cute. He's cute and bitey. Yep. Yep. Oh shit. I don't want hooks in my hand. Nope. That's embarrassing as fuck, but I do not want hooks in my hand. Will ruin the day for sure. Be still, you little fucker. Thank you. Sorry I threw you, but I don't want you to hook me, okay? Easy there, easy there. Let me get you on film here, buddy. Let me make sure I'm recording, okay? Got me a nice little pikey. Second one ever. Camera's a little low, let's lean back. Bye-bye. He didn't want to give me my fish grips. Son of a gun. Got him. He came off. I don't know. Yep. What's that? What movie? Oh yeah. Haha. All right. Hold still so I can get a hold of the back of your head. All right. Chill out. Smallmouth. Come on. There we go. Easy there, buddy. Holy shit. He's hooked up good. Damn it. Come on. He wasn't getting off, that's for sure. No, but he got 2 of the 3 barbs on this hook in his mouth. Good job, buddy. Oh yeah. Woo, yeah, that's a jumper too. Yeah, buddy. Biggin. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. You ain't getting off. Come here. All right. Gotcha. Take it easy. You ain't going nowhere. Okay. All right, got you unhooked. Let's get you. I gotta check you out. I gotta see how pretty you are. Take it easy there. See her?
We do.
She's big. Good job. Thank you. I'll say that and cast to a shallow spot where there's grass. Did he come off? Nope, he's on there. Woo! Woo! Damn! Feisty much? Come here. Okay, let me get some grips in your mouth so you don't eat me. Or poke me. He shouldn't poke me, actually. He's hooked all over the place, but Let's get a grip in his mouth. Easy. I got you, buddy. I got you. I'm gonna unhook you real quick. I'm gonna get you on picture, on video. I'm gonna let you go. I'm not gonna eat you, I promise. Easy. I know, I just rehooked you. I'm sorry. Easy. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Good job. That was a good fight. Thank you very much. Good little guy.